So hi guys, this is Ron again from happiness.com and we're doing a new TV unboxing, okay? This is the Devant 50U HD 1619, okay? We bought this yesterday at Robinson's Appliances in Metro Manila, no? They were selling it for is 18,000 pesos only. Okay?
Kasi ito sa na-discount.
So this is a 50-inch TV. Okay? So kita niyo sa likod, meron kami ng mass. It's 32 inches.
I'm applying mine for it.
I think this is cheapest 50-inch TV ever. That's been in the market. I hope you can hear me. We're using the Take A9 for the video today. Trying to search online for the specs of the TV. Pero everything's hanging. I don't know why. Maybe it's my internet, maybe.
There's no internet in the White House.
So I don't know why it's not opening.
But
Okay?
there's no internet here.
It comes with, okay yan, okay. Yung stand, okay, the TV stand, is here on the top. Okay?
Guidelines how to unbox it, please.
So there's guidelines on how to unbox a TV. Okay. We need to hold it by the corners down. Iran, come here. Don't touch it up because it's not.
I found TV.
It comes with the remote control and manual. This is the TV bracket in the back. We'll open this in a little while. It also comes with a ISDVT antenna. If I understood correctly what they said, this is a digital TV antenna. Okay, so I can get rid of my Globe SIM prepaid SIM watch na, which we barely use naman. Kasi we don't do a lot of that. So as you can see now here, it says on the Facebook ni Devant, it's a 50-inch UHD TV, smart TV. Ultra HD, ang resolution niya 3840 by 2160. Okay. HDR compatible, anycast, Bluetooth function, Netflix, YouTube, HDMI, and USB ports. Nasabi nila 4K, so we'll know. Okay. Here on other side. Come here, other side. Yes, please. Shotty, can you clear the table? Because we need to put it on top of the table. One. Hold by the side. Okay. Do you have the bottom? Hold it to the bottom. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is how big the TV is.
Oh my god. That is one big TV. Ah.
Yeah. Turn it around. You go to where I was. Careful. Put it on your knee like this. Put your knee on. So as you can see, move there. Andito yung mga ports. All the ports are here. On this side, I don't feel anything on the bottom. The power port is here. And I assume this is where you put the brackets for the TV. So I'll show you the ports. So this is where the stands go, I think. Okay. Here. And there in the bottom, can you see? There's a USB RJ45 RCA cord ports there in the bottom. Okay, and there's and on the other side, okay, can you see coaxial cables for cable TV, and 3 HDMI ports, another, I think this is a USB type 3 port, and a 3.5 mm port. Okay, we'll pause it again. We're just gonna be mounting it on the stand. The screws for the stand are supposed to be inside the plastic where the remote control is. Okay, ayun siya. And you check, meron yung sa stand, there's, see, right, front. Okay, so make sure you follow the instructions so that stable siya, no, when you put it. But we'll show you also pa rin later on how to mount the back brackets, the back mounts on back of the TV once we're able to do. Kasi problem is I have to drill new holes on the wall again. So we'll finish this up and we'll set up and then we'll show you. Thanks guys, bye. TV is too big for any of the tables that I have, so I can't put it on the table, so we have to really finish the wall mount. So here's the bracket configuration in the back. Put the white ones on top and then the small ones, the big ones on the bottom. Okay, so there's 4 of this, goes inside, and put this washer thing on top. Okay, we're gonna pause it again. I think this is the way it's supposed to show up later when it's in the back already, no? So yung may butas, yun yung nakakabit sa wall. So that's how you put it in. See? So lagyan mo para mag-lock siya. It's not moving anymore. And that the big ones in the bottom, or para pang pumantay siya, I assume. Okay. We're able to mount it.
The back.
Kapagod. So we turned it on. Here are the sources where you can put in, ano. So may AV, yun yung tatlong RCA jacks yata sa likod, butas. You can do an any cast, so para siyang Google Cast. USB. There's 3 HDMI ports. Okay, so cable, we'll put it now. So we're gonna connect the antenna. TV, there's no channel information. Begin scanning. So we're gonna scan. We're using antenna. And yeah, that's what we're having now. So we're gonna wait for a little while. So apparently, you choose the cable, not the antenna setting when you do this, when you scan for channels. So now we have 8 channels, so medyo malabo, no? Channel 2, I don't know what that channel is. Malacanang nakalabas. Okay, so malabo lahat
PBA.
ng ano. So but we already have the antenna outside.
PBA. And more PBA.
So only 8 channels ang lumabas, ano. Okay. So here are the other apps that you can see. May Netflix, YouTube Kids. I see Flix. I don't know what that is. There's a browser. Media. You can search. NA View, Cast, Game Center. Cancel muna. Okay. So maraming ano, TED TV. So I guess some of this you need to have subscriptions. So we've been able to log in, right? So you can see, whoa, So apparently, Netflix detects if you have an Ultra HD TV. I can upgrade to Ultra HD for 90 pesos more. But no thanks. So as you can see there, I'm gonna love watching here. Okay, so we're gonna go home. Notifications, what's this? So HDMI is connected to the PS4. Is the PS4 on? Turn it
Yes.
on.
This.
Okay, so we're gonna connect to the PS4. Go to the source.
HDMI 1 pa.
Source on. You can actually play. It's gonna be nice to play on this one. It's so big. Um, what else can we do? Let me check. So the settings for picture, you can change it, brightness and all that stuff. I'm gonna keep it at the standard. System, location, timer settings, language, application. So there's parental control, so you can probably put a pin here so that it turns off at specific times, which I will put, so that these kids sleep early. Even when I'm sleeping, they can't play anymore. So those are the stuff. Wait, what else? Support. Okay, smart TV, restore to factory default. Sound. You can put headsets and all that stuff. Leather support in the back. So that's it for the quick unboxing, guys. Hope you liked it. You can buy one in any store outside. We'll find out. Just search online. This is not a sponsored post. Okay.